I like putting a lot of black pepper on top of this. No salt, because this is corned beef, okay, meaning that it has a lot of salt in it. It was cured with a lot of salt. I'm going to add my onions, garlic, celery, carrots, bay leaf, some cinnamon, peppercorns, mustard powder, some dates, last but not least, my Guinness, I'm going to put 4 cups of water here. Now this is usually done in a Dutch oven, but I don't have a Dutch oven, so you start it on the stove, you put it in the oven for 2.5 to 3 hours, checking it occasionally. So I'm cooking this whole process on the stove. Very low heat, 2.5 hours. So it's been 3 hours since this has been simmering. I'm now going to remove this. Put it on the plate. And I'm going to add, this is one of the dates. You could also do brown sugar instead of dates if you wish. Going to add wedges of cabbage and let this boil until the cabbage is cooked. Cabbage is going to have a lot of flavor from this gravy here. So this is it. I put this under the broiler for about 3 minutes on high to get a little bit of color. Add in some apricots. This is going to go very well with this salty corned beef and the cabbage. So there you have it, guys. So there you have it, guys. A jazzed up corned beef and cabbage. Take care. See you in the next video.